All right, give me 3 minutes and I'll change your life. We're gonna start with some active, deep breathing. After that, we're gonna hold our breath after the exhale. And if you can hold your breath for more than 60 seconds, you're gonna release a bunch of feel-good hormones. You're gonna feel naturally high, and you're gonna boost your immune system. Enjoy. All right. Welcome, all of you beautiful breathing people, to this 3-minute reset. It's very simple. Just find your way to a comfortable and safe position. You can do this seated or lying down. We're going to begin by breathing deeply in through the nose, out through the mouth. And we'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bigger and deeper breaths than normal. Alright, let's move on to double speed. Take a big breath in, all the way in. Exhale with a sigh. Hold your breath. And we're gonna finish the round by breathing in and out of the mouth in 3, 2, 1. Of these breaths. 2. Last one. Fully in, as big as you can. And now exhale with a sigh. Hold your breath at the bottom. Relax in your body. Just place your full awareness on this moment. Holding your breath for as long as you can. Just be here now. Alright, inhale fully in. Hold your breath at the top. Bring a gentle smile to your face. Allow this energy to rise. And now exhale with a sigh. Beautiful work, everyone. Return to normal breathing and go enjoy the rest of your day. Much love to all of you. Remember to breathe and remember to laugh. Peace.